This is our MSC lathe. Has a mini wizard, digital readout, has a light that goes with it. Comes with all kinds of tooling and accessories. You can go to our website, machinery-central.com, and see all the pictures of all the tooling. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. That right there is 755. Runs smooth. We're going to run threading. See it moving. This is forward and reverse. We're going to change it. We're going to change the bar here. There's low feed right here. This is 115. There's cross feed. Pull out, and then up, move the saddle. Go forward and reverse. It's got metric and inch threading. Comes with a 5C collet closer. It's wire 220. A great little lathe.